All right, round 2 of the booby attack. We are now engaging in evasive maneuvers.
Where's the horn?
Yeah, screw you too, bird.
Where's the horn?
Up there, forward, starboard.
What? Oh.
Yeah, fall! Die! Die, die, die! Yeah, it sucked, doesn't it? Maybe you should leave! Oh, oh, oh! Halyard! Oh, he's right by the halyard! Hold this, film this.
Oh, smack him with the
Oh, I'm so gonna hit him.
Baby.
Light, Tiff, light.
Alright,
Oh,
you wanna pump this up?
you, buddy.
Yeah. Oh.
Look, his little friend just tried to land.
Hey, I'm on this!